Hi, I am Priyanka Sahu and you are watching Priyanka Sahu online classes, and today we will discuss about practical nature of electromagnetic radiation or Planck's quantum theory. To explain the phenomenon of black body radiation and photoelectric effect, Max Planck put forwarded a theory in 1900, put forwarded a theory that is Planck's quantum theory. ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଅନୁସାରେ ଏ ଥିଓରିର ନାଁ ହେଇଛି Planck's quantum theory, and this theory was further extended by Einstein in 1905. So, let us discuss the main points of this theory. These are the main points of Planck's quantum theory. The first point is the radiant energy is emitted or absorbed not continuously but discontinuously in form of small discrete packets of energy. So, energy comes in form of small discrete packets. So, this is the surface of a metal and energy comes in small packets. Each such packet of energy is called quantum. These are quantum. This is one quantum, this is one quantum, this is one quantum. A quantum ro plural hela quanta. This is quanta. Quantum ro plural hela quanta. In case of light, the quantum of light is called photon. One photon, two photon, three photon. गोटे फोटन आसला गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन को इजेक्टेड कर देला जदि तार थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रिक्वेंसी ठारू तार फ्रिक्वेंसीटा अधिका अछि. Then the next point is the energy of each quantum. The energy of each quantum is directly proportional to the frequency of radiation. The energy of each quantum, so E is directly proportional to the frequency or nu. E is equal to h nu. H is what? H is Planck's constant. H is equal to Planck's constant, and H is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power 27 arc or per second, or 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule per second. So, 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 arc. So, H is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 27 arc per second, or 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule per second. And the third point is the total amount of energy emitted or absorbed by a body will be some whole number quanta. Total energy कौन हुए will be some whole number quanta. आमे कहि परिबानी, we cannot say 1.5 quanta, 2.4 quanta, we cannot say. This will be some whole number quanta, or E is equal to NH nu. N is equal to what? N is equal to an integer. So, E is equal to NH nu. Let us discuss how Einstein explained the photoelectric effect by using Planck's quantum theory. We already discussed in photoelectric effect that if this is the surface of a metal, when light having particular frequency fall on the surface of a metal, the photon gives the entire energy to the electron and ejected one electron. गोटे फोटन गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन को इजेक्टेड कर दबो इफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ लाइट इज ग्रेटर दैन इफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ लाइट इज न्यू and the frequency of the threshold frequency is nu naught. इलेक्ट्रॉन केतेबेले इजेक्टेड हबो जेतेबेले when the frequency of light is greater than the threshold frequency. Second point रे हमें कौन देखिथिले if the frequency of incident light is greater than the threshold frequency, what happened then the excess energy, what is the excess energy? Excess energy E is equal to h nu difference h nu naught, and the excess energy कौन हम excess energy कौटी की पड़ेबो इलेक्ट्रॉन रो काइनेटिक एनर्जी रे परिणत हो जिवो इट चेंज टू द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. So if the frequency of light is greater than the threshold frequency, what happened? The excess energy E is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. ये कौन हो जिवो तर काइनेटिक एनर्जी रे इलेक्ट्रॉन रो काइनेटिक एनर्जी रे परिणत हो जिवो. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन रो काइनेटिक एनर्जी हाफ mv स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू h nu difference h nu naught. This implies h nu is equal to half mv square plus h nu naught. This is called Einstein's photoelectric equation. This is called what? Einstein's photoelectric equation. थर्ड पॉइंट रे हमें कौन देखिथिले? In third point we discussed that if the intensity of light जदि इंटेंसिटी अधिका हबो ताले कौन हबो ये कौन करिवो ना बहुत ए लाइट रो जदि इंटेंसिटी अधिका हबो बहुत गुडाए अधिक इलेक्ट्रॉन इजेक्टेड हे जिवे किंतु से इंटेंसिटी बढ़िबा द्वारा ए इलेक्ट्रॉन रो काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऊपर कोनोसी प्रभाव पड़िबो नाही. फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़िले इलेक्ट्रॉन रो काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़िबो बट इंटेंसिटी बढ़िले ए इलेक्ट्रॉन रो काइनेटिक एनर्जी चेंज हबनी. कौन हबो ना अधिक गुडाए इलेक्ट्रॉन इजेक्टेड हे जिवो जेते इंटेंसिटी अधिका हबो तार कौन हबो सेते अधिकटा इलेक्ट्रॉन इजेक्टेड हबो बट गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन ऊपर कोनोसी प्रभाव पड़िबो नाही. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.